Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonders of natural remedies. Today, we're diving into the health benefits of chia water. Chia seeds provide a natural energy boost without the crash that comes with caffeine or sugar. But before we continue with the video, we have a brief message. Please check the affiliate link in the description for the Encyclopedia of Natural Remedies. This 181-page ebook brings you over 300 ancient cures, natural healing, and home remedies for over 60 common ailments. Now let's get back to the video and talk about chia water. A powerhouse of nutrients, chia seeds are an ancient superfood. They boast a rich history of use, their health benefits recognized for centuries. When rehydrated in water, these tiny seeds transform. Create a refreshing gel, an intriguing mix of texture and taste. This novel beverage, aside from being delightfully unique, packs a healthful punch. It's a refreshing, nutrient-rich drink that's beneficial for your body. First and foremost, chia water is an excellent hydration source. It hydrates your body effectively, ensuring that there's constant replenishment of water levels. This not only maintains your vitality, but also leaves you feeling rejuvenated throughout the day. Chia seeds, a key ingredient in chia water, are loaded with fiber. This essential nutrient aids digestion, assisting in the smooth functioning of your digestive system. It also boosts your gut health, promoting a robust and healthy gut. Another benefit of starting your day with chia water is its ability to boost your energy levels. Originating from Mexico, chia seeds were a staple for Mayans and Aztecs, often used for their energy-boosting properties. These tiny super seeds are packed with nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids. They offer a sustained energy increase, unlike caffeine or sugar, which often lead to energy crashes. Chia seeds provide a natural energy boost without the crash that comes with caffeine or sugar. Chia water also promotes heart health. The seeds used in chia water are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their beneficial effects on the heart. These essential fatty acids help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Moreover, regular consumption of chia water can aid in reducing bad cholesterol levels, one of the main culprits behind heart-related issues. Additionally, the nutrients found in chia seeds can also help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common condition that can lead to serious heart problems if not managed properly. By including chia water in your diet, you are taking a step towards maintaining a balanced blood pressure level. So, in essence, chia water is not just a refreshing drink or a weight loss aid, it's also a great addition to a heart-healthy diet. Incorporating it into your daily routine can lead to an overall healthier lifestyle. Another amazing benefit of chia water is its contribution to bone health. Chia seeds are high in calcium, a nutrient that is essential for bone health. In fact, they contain more calcium per serving than many dairy products. This makes chia water an excellent source of this crucial mineral, especially for those who are lactose intolerant or choose to follow a dairy-free diet. But that's not all. These tiny seeds also contain magnesium and phosphorus, both of which are vital for maintaining a strong and healthy bone structure. Magnesium plays a key role in converting vitamin D into its active form, which aids in calcium absorption, while phosphorus helps in the formation and repair of bone and teeth. By regularly consuming chia water, you're not just hydrating your body, you're also providing it with essential nutrients that contribute to stronger bones. So, chia water is not just refreshing, it's also a boon for your bones. Don't miss out on the opportunity to strengthen your bones while enjoying a delicious and hydrating beverage. Furthermore, chia water is renowned for its weight loss benefits. Firstly, the high fiber content in these tiny but mighty seeds has a satiating effect. This leads to feeling full for longer periods, thereby reducing your overall calorie intake. Secondly, chia water plays a significant role in regulating blood sugar levels. This crucial aspect aids in managing and maintaining optimal weight. In conclusion, the dual benefits of chia water, inducing satiety and regulating blood sugar, make it an excellent choice for those striving for effective weight management. Last but not least, chia water is a fantastic source of antioxidants. These powerful compounds serve as a potent defense mechanism in our bodies, primarily protecting us against detrimental substances called free radicals. Notably, free radicals, if left unchecked, can inflict serious damage to our cells. They are known to alter cell function and can even accelerate their death. This can usher in a multitude of health problems, ranging from minor sickness to chronic diseases over time, putting the importance of managing them into serious perspective. Chia water effectively helps shield your body against the harmful effects of free radicals, thus contributing significantly to improved health. These powerful compounds help to protect your body against free radicals, which can cause damage to your cells and contribute to various health issues. Now that you know the incredible health benefits of starting your day with chia water, let's learn how to make it. The process is simple. First, soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a glass of water and let them sit for about 15 minutes. Next, stir the mixture well and let it sit for another 10 until it forms a gel-like consistency. That's it. This nutritious beverage is an excellent start your day. And voila, your chia water is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching this video. We trust that it served as an informative and inspiring journey for you. Did it provide value? If so, we invite you on the subscribe button. By doing so, you will stay updated with our future videos. Our content revolves around natural remedies and healthy living, all designed to boost your overall well-being. Together, let's venture into multiple avenues of nurturing your health. The capability to foster good lies within you. Take care and be well.